Hey guys, it's your girl, and today I am doing a roasted chicken cauliflower soup, basically chicken and rice soup. I'm going to use the ingredients. It's only going to take about 30 minutes to do this, and it's really 4 or 5 simple and easy ingredients. So I hope you enjoy this simple recipe. I have celery stalk and organic carrots that I have cleaned and peeled. I got this new John Soul's food. This is in the refrigerator section at Walmart. Oven roasted chicken. It comes already diced. Then you're going to get some bird's eye rice cauliflower. I got the Italian cheese, or you can get regular. Then I got some Sam's Choice bone broth, and this is also reduced sodium chicken flavor. The first thing you want to do is cut up your celery and your carrots first, because your vegetables take a little longer to cook. Once you cut up your vegetables, you want to now cut up your chicken. Now you can leave a cube like this. It's already almost like a pre-cooked chicken, but also you can just slice them up if you want your chicken a little smaller pieces. Once you cut up your chicken, you're going to add your bone broth to your pot. Then you want to include your vegetables first. Since your vegetables are going to take about 30 minutes to cook, you want to cook those first. Okay, just cook for 30 minutes and just close the lid. After 30 minutes, just check to make sure your vegetables are thoroughly cooked before adding your chicken. Once it's cooked and you just add your chicken is always pretty much pre-cooked, so it shouldn't take that long at all. Then you want to add your cauliflower rice. After you add in all the ingredients, just stir. Okay, you want to cover this and let this simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. Okay guys, this is it. This is your roasted chicken cauliflower rice soup. This is not regular rice, so this is lower in calories, and then you have your protein from your chicken plus your vegetables and your low sodium broth. Alright guys, if you want to see any other recipes, just let me know which one you want to see, and I'll see you to the next one. Thanks a lot. It's your girl.